Cracking the Code, Mastering Suffix Pronunciation in English. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of the English language. Today, we're exploring suffixes and how they can sometimes trip us up in pronunciation. We all make mistakes, but recognizing them is the first step towards perfecting our language skills. So, let's get started. Before we dive into common pronunciation mistakes, it's crucial to understand what suffixes are. Suffixes are groups of letters added at the end of words to change their meaning or function. They can transform a verb into a noun, an adjective into an adverb, or even change the tense of a verb. But one thing to remember, suffixes can also influence how a word is pronounced. There's an interesting aspect of English pronunciation that we sometimes overlook: the impact of suffixes. They can subtly change the pronunciation of the base word. For instance, the word pronounce becomes pronunciation when we add the suffix ation, and the stress shifts from the second syllable to the third. Now, let's discuss some common pronunciation mistakes that English learners often make with suffixes. 1. Misplaced stress. As we saw earlier, suffixes can shift the stress in a word. A common mistake is not adjusting this stress, like saying pronunciation instead of pronunciation. 2. Incorrect vowel sounds. Some suffixes can alter vowel sounds. For instance, the ion suffix often changes a preceding vowel to a schwa sound. The unstressed, neutral vowel sound, often shown as a. Mispronouncing this can lead to errors. 3. Ignoring silent letters. Some suffixes contain letters that should be silent in pronunciation, like the e, in, ate, or ite. Overemphasizing these can lead to incorrect pronunciation. Now that we know the common pitfalls, here are some strategies to avoid them. 1. Learn word stress rules. Understanding where to place stress in words can significantly improve your pronunciation. 2. Listen and repeat. Using listening resources and repeating after native speakers is a powerful tool to master pronunciation. 3. Practice with common suffixes. Words with suffixes like tion, sion, ooze, and ity are very common. Practicing these will improve your general pronunciation. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. Remember, everyone makes mistakes while learning. It's the recognition of these mistakes and constant practice that makes us proficient. Don't let these challenges discourage you. You're doing great, and with each mistake, you're one step closer to mastering the English language. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll meet again in our next lesson. Happy learning!